How to be more attractive. According to science, it's undeniable that attractiveness goes beyond mere beauty. Attitudes, behaviors, and style are among the factors that influence this perception. After all, who hasn't met someone who, at first glance, didn't seem particularly beautiful but attracted people with their confidence, friendliness, and charisma? However, the truth is that we all try to be more attractive at some point in life. This is evident in how we dress better, pay attention to our hair and makeup before important dates or professional engagements. All of this confirms that we are aware, consciously or unconsciously, that appearance matters. Often, as first impressions form within seconds of seeing someone, we may not have a second chance to make a good one. Therefore, we've decided to share with you some insights from science on what makes a person attractive. This way, you can identify the characteristics you already possess and emphasize them or make small adjustments to acquire them. This is the An Extra Touch channel, and discover now how to become more attractive according to science. How to be more attractive by embracing naturalness. You might have thought that what makes a person more attractive is a perfect body or a completely symmetrical face. While these features are beautiful, they only work when there is a perception of harmony and naturalness. A study conducted by Queen's University in Canada demonstrated this. Participants were exposed to images of beautiful people, and the researchers concluded that participants found those who appeared harmonious in both appearance and behavior more attractive. Even a physically attractive person, when presented with an unnatural walking style, lost some points in evaluation. The study found that our brains have a keen detector for detecting artificiality or falsehood. So when a person tries to walk like a runway model, for example, the brain doesn't identify it as highly attractive because it lacks naturalness. This teaches us that beauty is about harmony. Therefore, when undergoing surgeries or procedures, it's essential not to exaggerate. Seek qualified professionals with impeccable aesthetic sense who understand the importance of preserving natural features. Increasing attractiveness by improving facial symmetry studies show that our brains consider more symmetrical faces equally more attractive. This doesn't mean a face must be perfectly symmetrical, but rather there should be a certain equivalence between one side and the other. Fortunately, it's possible to correct most of these differences. In some cases, surgical procedures may be necessary, but in many others, minimally invasive procedures are sufficient. To know which options are available to correct the asymmetry of your face, always consult a specialist. They are the most qualified to identify the most suitable procedures. Enhancing attractiveness by exploring gender characteristics. Research also shows that women considered more attractive are those with fewer or no masculine traits. Therefore, features like square jaws, less delicate noses, and straighter eyebrows, without a feminine arch, may reduce attractiveness. For men, studies are less conclusive. Some suggest that women like men with more feminine or childlike traits, while others refute this premise. Regardless, women have intuitively understood this for a long time. Fashion trends have consistently emphasized makeup that highlights the eyes, lifts the corners of the eyes and mouth, disguises robust noses, and shades the contour of the face, making it longer. These traits, unconsciously, are more common in women than men, becoming symbols of femininity. Modern procedures, including fillers, Botox, and others, replicate these patterns. Asterisk asterisk, becoming more attractive by projecting the chin asterisk asterisk. As we age, our faces change significantly from birth to adulthood. Some expected characteristics in early years don't remain. In children, for example, it's normal for the chin to be more retracted compared to the mouth. However, as we become adults, this characteristic tends to change. While some people maintain a retracted chin, in most cases it becomes more projected. A lack of chin projection can be seen as a factor that reduces potential attractiveness. Moreover, it may be associated with other childish features, such as a lack of assertiveness and even lower logical reasoning. Many people, aware of the influence their image has on others, often prefer procedures that balance these traits, such as chin and jawline fillers, increasing attractiveness with lip volume. Again, what matters is not our opinion, but science. Studies demonstrate that when a woman exhibits certain youthful traits, people perceive her as more attractive. One of these traits is greater lip volume. Over the years, this volume diminishes, increasing the perception of age. Many women, when young, have less sagging between the nose and the lip, known as the nasal filter. During youth, this nasal filter often pulls the voluminous lip upward, leaving the mouth slightly open, revealing teeth. With age, the skin of this nasal filter becomes flaccid, and it no longer pulls the lips upward. Therefore, lip augmentation is a procedure that can rejuvenate the face, making it more attractive. Even for those who haven't experienced the effects of aging, thin and volumeless lips can age appearance and hinder attractiveness. In conclusion, it's important to highlight that no one is obligated to do anything to become more attractive. Appearance is not the most important factor in life. However, our role is to share what science indicates. It's your choice whether to emphasize or alter certain characteristics. Before making any adaptations, it's essential to consider your personal values and comfort. Good. If you liked the video, leave a like and share it with your friends, and whenever you need us, we will be here.